In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a task in Microsoft To Do. Before we get started, let's make sure you're all set up to follow along. First things first, if you haven't already, open the Microsoft To Do app on your device. You can find this app in your start menu if you have already installed it. If you haven't yet downloaded Microsoft To Do, you can easily get it from the Microsoft Store on your Windows machine. Alternatively, if you prefer to work online or are using a different operating system, you can access Microsoft To Do through its web version. Simply head over to your browser and go to todo.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account, which is the same login used for Outlook, OneDrive, and other Microsoft services. So go ahead and click on Sign In. Enter your Microsoft account email and password, and with that done, you should now be fully logged in and able to see all your tasks. You're well equipped to navigate the tool from this point forward. Now the next part is quite crucial. In Microsoft To Do, it's important to note that you cannot directly copy a task in the traditional sense. But don't worry, there's a workaround that involves moving the task, and I'm here to guide you through that process step by step. Begin by locating the task you want to work with in your task list. Once you've identified it, move your cursor over it and right-click on the task. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From the drop-down options provided, you will see an option that says Move Task To. This is the key feature we'll utilize to essentially duplicate your task into another list. Select Move Task To from the menu and you'll be able to choose from the lists you've already created in Microsoft To Do. Now all you need to do is select the specific list where you want this task to be moved. Consider this movement as a form of duplication because while the task is technically being moved from one list to another, you can always recreate or adapt the task as needed once it's in the new location. Feel free to adjust details or make additional entries if the task requires a bit of tailoring after it's been moved. And that wraps up our guide. I hope this has helped clarify how you can effectively transfer tasks within Microsoft To Do, even though a direct copy feature may not be available. Thank you for watching and be sure to check back with us for more helpful tutorials.